7 analog cameras were installed throughout the store. They were placed in the aisles, at the cashier's counter, and at the main door, and then connected to an 8-channel analog DVR in the office. These are the analog camera images from the door and cashier's counter. To avoid arguments with customers and to fight against retail shrinkage, the store owner has decided to switch from a pure analog DVR to a hybrid DVR, the EverDigi EH1008H-4 Nano, which supports both analog and IP cameras to capture high-quality images in critical areas. Replacing the analog camera at the front door with an EverDigi outdoor IP camera, the SF1311HB. Compared to a traditional analog camera, the IP camera provides higher quality images and it is able to capture much more minute details. Even the license plate can be clearly identified. Another critical area that requires better quality images is the cashier's counter. Replacing the analog camera over the cashier's counter with megapixel camera, the EverDigi SF1311HD. This is the video quality delivered from a megapixel IP camera. Here we would like to demonstrate the difference in video quality between analog and IP cameras. The analog camera uses an 8mm lens and has to be placed close to the cashier's counter in order to deliver acceptable image quality. In contrast, the EverMedia IP camera uses a 4mm lens that provides a wider monitoring area and higher image quality. The convenient setup of the EverDigi Hybrid DVR helps to provide better quality images from both the IP cameras in critical areas and the analog cameras, significantly lowering the cost of cables and maintenance. This also eliminates the need for major remodeling, which will interrupt everyday business.